Village, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bedford County in south-central Pennsylvania, western Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south-central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, Southern Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rock Hill Furnace to Wolfertsburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chambersburg, Carlisle, Waynesboro, Shippensburg, Greencastle, McConnellsburg, Guilford, Plainfield, St. Thomas, Schlosser, Fayetteville, Wolfertsburg, Wayne Heights, Mount Holly Springs, Mont Alto, Mercersburg, Scotland, Newville, Harrisonville, and Rouserville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 151 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 168 to 228. Interstate 81 for mile markers 0 to 53. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.